Hello, this is Mike Okot. I'm going to show my Trust Wallet now and go through the process of showing you where I am with the MetaForce. Okay, let's begin. Okay, as you can see now, I have been using the income that I've got and transferring them to my bank. I will come up with the total amount of money that I've made since the beginning. I think it's about $3,000 or so. But I don't keep them here. So you can see this is what is left off 157. And I will actually use them all. There's no point to keep the money here if I am going to use it for some other things. And remember, although this is my private wallet, I still just don't want to keep the money here. I'd rather keep the money working instead of sitting doing nothing idle. Okay? So let's start this. I'm going to clean up here a little bit, take this all off, go back, and then launch the MetaForce. Alrighty, just going through my back office. If you can see my cursor, I need to even learn how to write. Okay, so here's the MetaForce. And this is the amount of Matic that I have, 16 Matic I have. And this is the DAI that I have, 142. And this is my wallet, Trust Wallet address. And this one here is my Force ID. Again, this is my wallet ID. And this is the link. If you click on here, it will copy the link. It says my link, MetaForce. Share the link and invite your friends to MetaForce to build your team. Okay, this here is my team lead. She's called Lindy Series. She's from South Africa, and she has level 8. I too am level 8. And this one here is the Stable Force coin. The Stable Force coin, each time you pay, you will get $1 each, or one stable coin. We're gonna use this stable coin very soon when it opens, and that's why they say here it will soon open. So it will be used for the boost. Now, right now we are using the MetaForce system called Classic, and here I am. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 levels open already. I'm left with 4. As I mentioned earlier on, if I get some members in level 8, I will then go to level 9 and so on. That's how my strategy is, and you guys can follow the same strategy. The next thing will be the boost. It will come soon. So once it comes, it is almost the same like the Classic, but a little bit higher price and a higher income level, okay? So this is the roadmap. You guys can read that. Please always try to go into your MetaForce back office and just go through it and see what's happening, okay? So now these are the activities going. Somebody with this ID has activated, so it's a referral link, and this somebody here paid 20 DAI, so that is level 3, I think, because 5 is level 1, 10 is level 2, yeah, this is level 3, and so on. These are the people that have activated, okay? So far, I have personally have like 12 people, but the number of referrals that I have inside is like 22. So which means the other 10 is coming from something called the spillover. Okay, this will be the spillover. Okay, now this is me in the beginning, my activations, and that's it. So you need to go to your back office and look at what's going on. Alrighty. So now let me show you. For you to activate the Classic, you need to click the preview. And I click the preview, and it goes into details. So now there's a note here. Please try to read everything. That work on the website is ongoing because they're continuously preparing things and so on. Don't worry if you have activated a slot level, but the changes are not displayed immediately. There may be a delay of 30 seconds or so. All right. So now in level 1, I do have 3 cycles. 3 cycles, which means people have entered all here, and this field number 6. and then it goes to the next level. All right, let me just go in one detail level down on this and explain how this thing actually works. All right, so in level 1, we are now in cycle 1. As you can see, it is reactivated. I reactivated it. Okay, let me go here. I reactivated it manually, and also now it's auto upgrade. So basically, everything will work on its own without me even going. So yesterday I said I have 22 partners. 10 of them are my personal referrals. 12 of them are personal referrals. 12 or 13 now. 13 are my personal referrals, and the other 10 are from spillovers. Okay. So now I'm in cycle number 4. I'm left with one more, and then I go to cycle number 5. That's how many times you can make money every time. So in each cycle, you get $15. As you can see here, it's 15 die. Now 15 times 4, so that's how much money that I've got in total revenue in level 1. So I can add those amount of money and see how much I've got in total. Okay, so this is how it works. When this one here, if you look at this, this is my ID address. You can see my ID address there, and this is me. So if I bring one person, yeah, like this guy here, that money will go straight to my upline. I will not get that money. The first one, I will not get that money. The second one, the second one also, I will not get that money. This money will go to either the group or to somebody, and that's what's called the spillover. So the spillover is money which goes to somebody else. Okay, so the first 2 people you bring in, you will not get money from them directly. Then the third person, this one here, that money will come to me, or it will go directly to you. The fourth person, the money will go directly to you. The fifth person, the money will go directly to you. Now the sixth will not go to you because it's used for reactivating this whole 6 slots. That's where the cycles come in. Okay, so in one level, the cycle, you will get about 1, 2, 3 payments. So in level 1, each one is 5, so you will get about 15 die or $15 per cycle. Okay, so this is going to be repeated in all cases except for level 3, and then level 6, and then level 9, and so on. There are like 4 other levels which you don't have to worry about. The first person you bring in goes to the upline. Okay, so this is how it is. So if I go to level 1, you can see my level 1 here. So it's all filled up. Okay, and if you go to cycle number 2 in level 1, it's all filled up. Yeah, cycle number 3 in level 1 is all filled up. And now I'm in cycle number 4. I'm left with just one more person. If either I can get it through spill or through my direct recruit, and then I will go to cycle number 5. Then I'll have 4 cycles, and then go to number 5. It's very similar to the second one, so I'm not going to repeat the second thing because it does the same methodology basically. So in level 2, I do have 2 cycles already, because not everybody who enters will go all the way to 5 levels, although we advise that people should go to level 5 before they stop. Okay, so this is the same thing. So I've gained here overall, you'll gain about $20 per cycle. So I've gained 160. So 115 plus 160, that's how much money you will add and see how much you have gained since in the beginning. Okay, so let's go to level 3. Now in level 3, I will explain that because it's a little bit different. So let me explain. In level 3, you have 3 slots. So if you are here, of course, the first person you bring, the money comes directly to you. The second person you bring, also the money goes directly to you. The third person, that money will be used to reactivate the system. So in this one here, you will get 2. Alrighty. So let me go. How many cycles I have here? I have 4 cycles in level 3. So let me go back to cycle 1, for example. Alrighty. In cycle 1, I have $20 here and $20 here, so it's 40. The other $20 will use to reactivate the system. Okay, so in this level, I have level 3. I have about $240 total. Okay, now I'm almost going to level 5. I mean to cycle number 5. So you can see in level 3 it's very fast. Okay, because there are only 3 slots. Okay. All right, let's go to level 4. The same thing is like level 1 and 2. There are 6 slots, and so far, why is it having 0 profit per cycle? All right, I don't know what happened here. Let me go back here. I'll go back here. All right, so you can see in this level, each cycle when you get $120 per cycle. But I think I've had 2 cycles, that's why I have like $480, right? So this is the same, I'm not going to talk about it. And then let's go to level 6. Level 6. So level 6, I have I have only 1 cycle. And let me go back. What was it? Okay, here we go. So on this one here, each cycle you get $320. So as you guys can see, the higher you go, the more money you begin to get. So total revenue here is 480. Okay, so the same thing. The first you bring goes to you. The second one goes to you. The third one goes for reactivation. So you only get 2 payments here, but it's very fast. Okay, so as you can see, this one's getting a little bit slower because the cost is a little bit high. Level 7 is just like level 1 and 2 and 3, the way it's set up. And then level 8 is similar. Level 9 will be like those with 3. Okay, so there we go. On this one here, I have a total profit of $1,280. So let's go to level 8. Level 8, as I mentioned earlier, nobody has, maybe there's somebody, I don't know. Nobody has still gone in there because you can see it's a little bit high, $640. So people are a little bit hesitant. But as soon as I get somebody here, I will upgrade mine to level 8. The reason I do that, or you should do that also, is you don't want to be in a situation whereby somebody who is from your downline or even a spillover will come and pay that amount, and because you are not positioned to receive that money, it will go to somebody else who has got that position already. So for example, in level 8, if I don't have level 8 and somebody who either I bring or is a spillover comes and he wants to pay level 8, I will miss that money. As of now, I am missing level 9, level 10, and level 12.